What's up guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this 5-tier storage shelf. And in this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about the shelf itself, including one important thing I think everyone should know before buying. So first off, this was really easy to assemble. I think it took me probably about a half hour, 25 minutes to a half hour to assemble this. We actually have the 3-tier shelf already, and we got this one in addition to that. The only difference is that you kind of have to connect 2 shelves together. You can kind of see that there. But other than that, it's pretty much the same if you've had the 3-tier shelf. But very easy to assemble. You know, if you have a portable drill, that's great. But you can just, use a screwdriver as well to put this thing together. Instructions made it really simple. Simple, stylish. It's basically white on white, right? It goes with pretty much anything that you're gonna, any room that you need it. It's pretty neutral overall. Like many of these that you see out there, it is made from particle board. Just manufactured from particle board, but I feel like it will last for some time. We've had the other one for a little while now, and it's lasted pretty well. These are very affordable. You can compare them to similar shelves from big box stores that you can get. Sturdy and solid, so it's not like this thing, I actually have to anchor it to the wall. We're still working on placement here, but it is sturdy. I don't think it's just gonna collapse and fall apart. So before I get into what I think is really important to know about this, common questions about it. So can you stack these shelves? Yeah, I think you could, but the problem is you can't really anchor them to each other. So I don't really see a safe and good way of doing that. In addition to that, can you remove shelves? You can, but if you remove a shelf, there's gonna be, in the back area here, you're gonna see kind of like there's a pre-drilled area where the shelf goes, right? So you're gonna be able to see that. So that would be a little bit problematic, but you technically could, I think, but it would be kind of weird if you did that. So I don't necessarily recommend that. The other thing is, can you use these horizontally? Yes. And that's one thing that we're contemplating. My wife and I is just putting this thing down horizontally, so we don't have it vertical, because we don't have a great way to anchor it. And by the way, yes, it does come with anchors that you can anchor to the wall. So the important thing to know, some of the shelves, from what I've seen, have defects where, certain parts are chipped off and everything. I didn't really have that with mine. The only small thing that I saw is right up here at the top. This is just where it was drilled in, right? There was a little bit of a kind of a hole here, but that's just because it's drilled all the way and it holds the backs, right? The back of all the drawers. So I didn't think it was a really big deal, but other than that, some people say, hey, there's chips and stuff, but I don't think that there's gonna be a problem if you just contact their support and get some help with that. But otherwise, yeah, pretty simple shelf, comparable to a lot of the other ones out there. We're happy with it, and yeah, definitely recommend.